In commemoration of the National Mission on Libraries by the Government of India's Ministry of Culture, the Raja Rammohun Library Foundation, in partnership with the Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, orchestrated a distinctive event on the 28th of November 2023. The event was honored by the presence of Bright Star Marbaniang, the MLA of Mawlai, who attended as the chief guest, alongside the Commissioner and Secretary of Arts and Culture Department, Government of Meghalaya, Frederick R Kharkongor, members of the Raja Rammohun Library Foundation, officials of the Northeastern Hill University, besides others.
This very program, as it is, capacity building program of National Mission on Libraries for Public Library Personnel. So basically, it's all about capacity building for you, the public librarian. As I've done yesterday, we have just had one program which is meant for the academic librarians, and today a second program meant for public librarian. It doesn't matter where you are, me as a public representative, or Kharkongor as a civil servant, or each and every one of us here present today. We all have a very important role to play. In fact, where we are supposed to give our very best. We are supposed to give our services to improve the lives of our community. And one of which is to the different libraries that we have in different districts of our state, and I hope so in different states that you represent. And capacity building, when you talk about capacity building, when you talk about capacity building, it's all about improvement in an individual's or organizational's facility to produce, to perform, or to deploy. In fact, when you talk about capacity building, it has been defined as a process of developing and strengthening the skills, instincts, abilities, processes, and resources that organizations and communities need to survive, adapt, and thrive in a fast-changing world. I hope so that this 5-day program will arm you as you move out of this university to be as resourceful as possible and be helpful to the community at large. And I do hope that in these 5 days that are going to be here, the organizers and the resource person that are going to deliver their lectures, they are going to concentrate on the 6 pillars of capacity building. That is structure, competencies, management systems, enabling policies, knowledge and learning, and last but not the least, leadership.